is up? My name is Haley. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you did not know, now you do. Hey you guys, what's up? So in today's video, y'all, I'm gonna be unboxing some things, showing you guys some purchases I've made over the past couple of days / weeks. Now, this does not scratch the surface of everything that I've purchased over the past couple of days or weeks, but I feel like these are some of the top purchases that I've made that I feel like deserves a little bit of spotlight. There are things that are relatively affordable and also things that are maybe a little bit more on the luxury side. There's gonna be a bag, there's going to be shoes, there's going to be like 2 other things. And yeah, we're gonna try to keep it short, simple, and sweet. So yeah, with all that being said, don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. So like I stated, you guys, I went shopping. I just went through my closet and got rid of a whole bunch of stuff. Maybe it didn't fit. Maybe it didn't fit my style anymore. I have no idea. Maybe I didn't want to wear it anymore. There were just so many elements and factors into me purging my wardrobe, I guess, and just replacing certain items. I got rid of a lot of my H&M and Zara, let's say basics, and replace them with more, I would say, higher quality basics. So the sweater that I'm wearing right now is from a brand called Dry Corn. I don't think it's in the United States. This is one of my favorite brands ever. They make the best sweaters. You know, some of their clothes for me are hit and miss, but the Myla, I think they're called, sweaters are some of my favorite sweaters. It's either, I think one version is a wool blend, one is a cashmere blend, or one has more cotton than the other one, but they have 2 versions of these sweaters, and I have this sweater in almost every color. They're a little bit pricey. I think they range from like 150 euros to 170 euros. But I've had them for years and nothing's really wrong with them. Nothing ever happens to them. They don't get holes. They don't get anything like that. They last forever. And so yeah, this was something that I purchased. I actually purchased a few of these sweaters and I just love them. But like I said, they're not available in the United States, so it doesn't really make any sense for this video. I just wanted to point that out. So let's start with the most affordable thing that I feel like needs to be on this list, and it has a lot to do with me shaving my head, and this is something that I've been collecting now. Staple accessory in my wardrobe, and it is a hat. And you can tell that I'm going on a pink kick, you guys, right now, but I have like a few of these now. I purchased so many, I think 4 or 5 of these since shaving my head, because I just like the way that bald heads on women look with caps. And I got this on sale, and it is towel. Is it terry cloth, or I don't know if it's terry, frotté or whatever the heck that's like that material is. It feels basically like a towel. And I know that a lot of luxury brands right now are bringing out towel versions of bags. And I didn't know that when I purchased this, but then I saw like the trend coming for this summer, and I was like, oh my gosh, I might actually be on trend for something, because I never follow trends and I'm never really up to date on stuff, but I really love these hats. I like the way they fit. Hold on. Yo, hey. And so yeah, this was the, I think, most affordable thing that I purchased. I think I got it for 12 bucks and it was on sale. And yeah, I really love it. Awesome. Snap. Is it a snap back? There used to be a song like that. Snap back tattoo. No, I don't think. There used to be a song about snapback hats. The next thing I'm trying to buzz through, because I know that you guys are here for the Gucci and the Bottega. So the next thing I got were a pair of shoes, which pretty boring, you guys, because we all know what kind of shoes these are going to be. If you don't know what shoes these are after watching all of my videos or being subscribed to my channel this long, you don't know me. So I got the Nike Air Force Ones. Oh, what a coinky dink, y'all. These were actually to replace my Adidas. I think they were called the Continental sneaker. They were white and pink, and I still wear them and I love them, but I wore them in the rain once and they got demolished. And I loved having a white and pink plain shoe. Like, it was just white and pink. I wanted something that was very basic, very simple. I saw these a few months ago, but they sold out completely when they came out. You couldn't find them. And then I think at one of the shoe store that I went to a few weeks ago or a few days ago, I saw that they had these shoes. I totally forgot about them. And then I saw them again and I was like, oh my gosh, do you guys have them? They were like, no, we're sold out. The pair that you see on the wall is the last pair, and it was like a size 10 or 11 for females, women. And so then I went online and I searched for these shoes and I found them and they got sent to me. And so yeah, it's the Air Force One Valentine's Day edition. And this is what they look like. You guys can't see, can you? No, it's fine. This is what, oh, you probably can't see them in this light either, but this is what they look like, you guys. It has a pink sole, a pink swoosh, and then in the front, it has these pink and red, I don't know, cubes. It's very in right now, these little things. I don't know what these are called, but it basically says Nike on them. And then on the other shoe, I think this is the right-hand shoe, it has love. And so when you're wearing them, it says love Nike. And also in the little swoosh, it says like love Nike as well. And it's pretty plain. A lot of people were disappointed by this release. And like I said, I love basic, I love boring, I love simple. And I feel like this is exactly what I was looking for to replace my Adidas Continental that basically are broken, and I can't wear them like with a nice outfit because they're really trash, tarnished, and like completely demolished. So sliding on over to the more luxurious side of this video, you guys, the next two items I'm going to be showing you are a little bit more expensive, but I really love them, and I'm going to tell you the backstories for both of them. The first thing I'm going to be talking about though are my Bottega Veneta sunglasses. Y'all, I've been wanting these since 2019. I never knew what the name of them were or was. I just remember they came out and so many people had them, and I was like, oh my gosh, these look so amazing. I went to the Bottega store a few days ago and I asked about these sunglasses. I'm not a person that first and foremost stays up to date with Bottega like that. I'm not checking on Bottega like that, especially for sunglasses, y'all. And I asked them, hey, I was wondering, do you guys sell these sunglasses? I didn't even know that sunglasses went out of season. Like every season you get new pairs of sunglasses. I didn't know it worked like that. And the lady looked at me literally like I was the dumbest person ever. She's like, I don't know what type of sunglasses we have in every sunglass we have. And she's like, no, we don't have that. That's old. And I was like, okay. So it was like a horrible experience going into the store. So I just ignored that woman, even though they had very similar sunglasses at Bottega that were probably the same exact, let's say, frame, but the lenses were a different color and maybe there was a little bit of a difference or tweak. I was just going to purchase them there instead of getting these because I'm like, okay, they're very similar and I really want the sunglasses. But because the woman was so rude, I was like, I'm not buying nothing from this woman. Like, bye, Felicia. I will go look and find these somewhere else. And so I took a picture of the number because the lady had the number of the glasses, the name of the glasses, and I went and searched online and I found them at a sunglass store. I don't know if it was Sunglass Hut or Mr. Specs. It was one of those websites because I ordered different sunglasses from each website. They are, and I actually don't remember the name or the number anymore, you guys. They are the aviators, the gold aviators with the very green lenses. Is that what they're called? Is it a lens? Y'all, like I said, I don't know about luxury sunglasses like that. I have an array of key sunglasses that has been the most money I've ever spent on a sunglass. So me spending a couple $100 on a sunglass is, but this is what they look like on, you guys. And can I just say, I can understand why they are a little bit more money. I got them on sale for 200 euros, so maybe like $210. Y'all, I was like, thank you, Jesus, that I was patient and that I didn't let that rude lady like pressure me into purchasing the glasses that I didn't really want. And I was really happy. I also purchased the Burberry Daphne sunglasses, and they were like a dusted light gold with greenish bluish lenses, and they were really cool as well. They were more of like a square aviator sort of type shape, and I just decided that these are the ones that I really wanted. I've been wanting them for years, and they were expensive. They were a little bit of money, but you can tell like that they're nicer quality. You can feel it in just how sturdy they are. You can also feel it in like the weight. That could also be a con for a lot of people, so that's something to think about. But like I said, I've never owned luxury sunglasses before. I've not been checking for them. They're not checking for me, and I'm glad I got a good deal on these. And I do think in the future, I might be buying some more. So moving on to Gucci, you guys, which is probably the reason you clicked on this video, you know, saving the best for last, y'all. And I'm probably talking your ear off. I'm totally sorry about that. But we all know that I love backstories. This is the Gucci bag, you guys. And inside is a Gucci bag. Now, like I said, backstory. This bag was never on my radar. This bag has never made an appearance on my channel. This bag is not very popular on YouTube /Instagram /social media, but I will give you guys a hint before I unbox it. It is a crossbody. And the reason I started looking for this bag is because I randomly looked up, what are they called? The belt bags from Gucci. I didn't want one, but I was just watching reviews. Wasn't on my radar to look for a belt bag. And then I saw a design on one of the belt bags and I was like, oh, that's actually really ugly, but really cute. And the thing is with Gucci, this style and this, I don't even know, this category, this line isn't really promoted on social media. It's not on YouTube that much. It's not on Instagram that much. And everyone that has like Gucci bags, it's the Diana, it's the Horsebit this or that. It's the Marmont, it's the Dionysus. It's not this line. And so, yeah. I went into the store and I was looking for the bag and everyone was so confused because I don't think they were also expecting me to want this bag, because I also don't think it's geared for women, because when I was searching the store, just like looking, I couldn't find it. And then I showed a picture and the lady's like, oh, it's in the men's section. And I was like, excuse me? Come to find out, it's a unisex bag. I think you'll be very surprised, because I was very surprised that I loved it. And it was a very spontaneous purchase, but that's okay. It came very pretty. I do have to say, Gucci's packaging. Also, the people, the customer service at Gucci, 1020%. It was amazing. This is the box. I think it's very interesting that it opens like this. I would prefer that it opened like that, but to each his own. Very weird. It opens like this. I have not opened it, you guys. This is the first time I'm seeing it with you. And, oh, it says Gucci trunk shop, traveling articles, fine articles, small leather goods, walking sticks, handbags, silver articles, and presents. Oh, that's what the paper says. I'm gonna have to like try to open this without ripping the paper too much, you guys. So like, give me a second. This is what the bag sort of looks like, you guys. So I want to know if anybody can guess it right. Probably not. I mean, I said it was unisex, so hopefully you can. I also want to say that the new packaging from Gucci, this dust bag and everything else, looks so much better in my opinion. Here we go, you guys. I know what it looks like. I already looked in, as y'all saw, but this is what I got. Y'all, I'm so excited. This is the Gucci Neo Vintage GG Messenger bag, I believe. This is supposed to be like a modernized take on old Gucci, and I just think it's amazing. Like, I don't even know what to say, you guys. It's so freaking cool. A lot of people, I was asking some of my friends before I purchased it, they don't know that I purchased this, what they thought of it, and all of them were like, it's so ugly, it's so tacky. And I was just like, but I love that about it. I love this emblem right here, this, I don't know, this Gucci print right here. I love this little, we were trying to figure out what it is. It's a mythical creature / character. We call it a wolf / tiger. I love that. It's huge, like humongous. It can fit so much. And yeah, let me take everything out. So there are a whole bunch of cards in here, or booklets in here. There's like three booklets in here, you guys, which is so crazy to me. It could be maybe for each type of material in the bag. So I do know that it's coated canvas, I believe that this is leather, and then there's like maybe a cotton / lining of some sort on the inside. I could be wrong, you guys, but the interior is also, I don't know if you can see, I might include pictures from the website. The interior is an older vintagey flower print, and then the strap as well is giving me vintage Gucci vibes. This strap combination, color combination is very Gucci. It has, you know, I would say antiqued, brushed gold hardware. But I feel like this is very core to Gucci, having this brass, not really shiny gold or any type of metal hardware. I feel like it's more antique slash aged looking. I feel like that is a huge signature of Gucci, and I don't mind it. On some bags I don't like it, but for this bag I feel like it's very casual and it goes with like the whole style of the bag. And so you put on these straps, and I was trying to find, like I said, videos of this bag when I was thinking about it because I wanted to know about it, and there wasn't that much. There were like 3 videos that I found, and everyone said that one of the cons was these clips easily coming off and the bag dropping. But I tried this bag on like 3 times in 2 different Gucci stores, and it was perfectly fine. It never came off. I put stuff in it, I walked around, I swung it back and forth, and it was okay. The reason that I got this bag, you guys, was because I wanted a camera bag that was like high on my list. The YSL Saint Laurent, I think Lou camera bag was probably the #1 bag that I wanted as a camera bag. I just think that camera bags are something that you need in your handbag collection, not necessarily luxury, just a style of bag that you always need if you love bags. And so I purchased the Saint Laurent camera bag, if you guys remember, from Farfetch, and I wasn't really happy or I would say satisfied with the quality of it. But there was also me not being satisfied with the strap of the bag, which is not something that I talked about in detail about. But after I tried on the YSL Lou camera bag again, I realized that the strap was way too thin for what it was. And I really tried to love it. I really wanted it, you guys. Maybe in the future I'll buy a YSL Lou camera bag, but this is right up my alley of what I want a camera bag for. I want a camera bag for casual errands, going out. If I go to a park, if I go to like an amusement park or something, if I go on vacation, I really like this. And yeah, adding it to my closet, my purse closet, and I don't know what the next bag is going to be for me. It probably won't happen until the end of summer, I think. Like, give me a few months, try to figure out what I want. But the Gucci Diana is also pretty high up there in the jumbo GG print. But I needed something a little bit more casual, everyday, and something that was relatively affordable for luxury. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, you guys. Have a wonderful day, and bye.